see me on screen, but similar to when I did the cloud card, brain fried. I got some of these. Yes, I know my angle sucks. Everything will be edited, so it's upright. But I got these massive pack of Pokemon cards. They're supposed to come with the giant cards and then actual packs. So I got 3 of them. They were 20 bucks each at my local Mind something. Mind games. My girlfriend is in the background just looking at me like I'm an idiot. But yeah, mind games. Okay. I gotta be careful opening these because I'd hate to accidentally cut the card. Okay, we got one. Okay, so let's see what we got first. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna open everything and then go through. My god, these giant cards are actually giant. Boom. So I'll be getting 9 giant cards and then 6 packs. Alright. So let's go through the giant cards first. Oh, here we got Schnive. Trying to get it on. Snively. Snively. Yeah. Tepig. Oshawott or Oshawa. Turtwig. These are kind of flimsy, but Chimchar. I was going to say Charmander. I'm like, nope, wrong gen. Piplup. Grookey. Scorbunny. And Sob.
Do you want me to set up the card trick for you?
Card trick?
There's a card trick so that like the best card of the pack will be at the back.
Oh, that card trick is cool. You have to tell me about that off camera. Or you can talk about it on camera.
Well, the card trick is there's usually 3 or 4 cards behind the good card of the pack. So like reverse holo, VMAX card, whatever it is, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you move the 3 or 4 cards at the back to the front.
Okay.
That way the last card you look at is said special card.
That's cool. I never knew that.
I didn't for a long time either.
Okay, let's go through what we got. Wingull, Surskit, Yangoose, Litten, Pharaoh. So the good card from this pack, we got a nice shiny Hollow Lily. Dude, the fucking bow and arrow bird, that name I can never pronounce. Decidueye. Yes, I can never pronounce that. Decidueye. Okay, got an energy, a Golbat, Pokecatcher. Oh my brain is just giving up right now. Passimian.
And you call yourself a Pokemon, okay?
My brain's just tired. Okay, that's my card. Okay, then we got Zubat. What's that? Poplio!
See?
It's a Poplio!
Oh.
It's a Poplio! Togedemaru. Shelder. Oh my god. Brain function. Hita. Oh my god. I'm tired.
She's a Pokemon fan, guys. She's just not good at names.
No, words are hard. I got a hollow.
Let's see.
Doug Trio with hair.
Oh, the Alolan Doug Trio.
Doug Trio with hair. That's the reverse hollow?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so the card's shiny, the image isn't.
Yes. Regular hollow is the image is shiny, reverse hollow is the card is shiny.
Palossand, an energy. Ooh, Torracat. So if I get, oh my god, brain, please. The final evolution of that, I'll have the full set. Poison Barb, Dragonair, Spoink, Gligar. Like, for the most part, I know the older generation. Shanks, Houndour, ooh, Mawile.
Let's see.
Like I never know which way to face it because I'm gonna flip the video, so hopefully it's okay. Okay, and so I think this is a special card for the
Let's see.
Mini Showa.
Mienshao. I don't know. I think that's just part of the pack.
Cause it's got like a rapid spin on it, so. Oh yeah, this one also has the single strike. Oh yeah, I think that is just part of the pack. I'm dumb. Because the other cards I just didn't notice. Fire Energy, Carnivine. Oh, got a Phoebe. Full focus. I just hope all this is in focus.
Hopefully.
It appears from what I can see. In DDD.
In DDD.
In DDD. It totally doesn't remind me, like, just the name of King DDD from them there Kirby. Bronzor or Bottle Cap. Card. Okay, got it. Konova. Another one of the Togedemarus. Chinchou. So now I know this is a reverse shiny. So we got reverse shiny Zubat. Lantern. Energy. I'm gonna move this further over because I keep knocking over. Hypno. Trumbeak. Ooh, Rainbow Energy. That's pretty. Sandile. Pet. Oh my god.
Petrat. Oh, Picky Peck.
Oh my god.
That was not even close to Petrat.
My brain has just given up, okay? I think your background commentary is the best part of this. Okay, Shuppet. See, Chewtle. Riolu! Riolu is one of my, or Lucario is one of my dream teams, so. Oh, this Eevee is so cute! It's like a meteor shower Eevee. I haven't seen that art. It's been one of the new ones. Okay, so we got C-Dot.
So all these cards are new.
We got League Staff, which is a reverse holo now that I know. It's actually reverse holo.
Yeah, you called one reverse shiny earlier.
Did I?
Yes.
Words are hard. Okay. Yan Mega. Another Energy. Rocky Helmet. Garvantula! That's a cute one. I don't think I actually have, oh my god, brain.
What, a Joltik card?
Joltik! Oh my god. My brain is just giving up on me. Okay, so Swellout, another Shuppet. Scorbunny! Which is different art than the giant card I got, which is cool.
Yeah.
Diglett, Inkay, Dugtrio Bald Edition. Bold Edition. Surfetch, which is one of the newer ones. An Energy, a Fog Crystal. That just looks cool. Got Agatha. I got Raboot. And I got Kung Fu.
So no special cards?
That's everything. Other than shinies.
No, like, nothing like the Pikachu I got yesterday.
No. Other than shiny, reverse shinies, whatever they're called. No, that was it.
I opened a random pack yesterday and got a chunky Pikachu card.
Yeah, other than these giant cards, which what I plan to do is I want to, like, frame them. I think that'd be really cool. Anyways, so this has been CrossWolf with my girlfriend Dominica or Domini Chu, commentary in the background. They can see a shadow hand. You gotta put your hands all the way up here.
Pull my hand forward.
So, yeah, this has been just a cute little card opening video. I hope to eventually get a proper setup.
Yeah.
But, yeah, so I hope you enjoy.